आज की वीडियो के लिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा रिक्वेस्ट आई है एंड ये ना मैं खुद से बहुत टाइम से करना चाहती थी बट आई केप्ट ऑन प्रोक्रेस्टिनेटिंग इट but now it's high time I need to talk about this. So today we're going to talk about lingerie, especially bras and like types of bras that every girl needs and also मैं आपको साथ में ये भी बताऊंगी कि मैं कौन से टॉप वेयर के साथ कौन सी ब्रास पहनना प्रेफर करती हूँ. So it's going to be a very informative video. I think ये बहुत useful है. Okay, the first one is actually a color that I'm talking about, not a specific category. You need a couple of good nude padded bras in your closet. बीट सीमलेस, बीट अंडरवायर्ड, बीट नॉन अंडरवायर्ड, आपको जो पसंद है, जिसमें जिस भी टाइप ऑफ ब्रा को आप एवरीडे लाइफ में पहनते हो और जिसमें सबसे ज्यादा कंफर्टेबल होते हो, गेट इट इन अ न्यूड कलर एंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रिग्रेट इट. द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी इज अ न्यूड अंडरवायर्ड ब्रा. My favorite bra ever, like my go-to bra, is a nude underwire bra. It's very supportive. The pads are super seamless. So like even with a top like the one I'm wearing right now, I'm wearing the same bra and it's super seamless. And usually on under most of my very fitted tops, I like especially tops with more thinner fabrics, I like to wear these bras. This is one of my go-to bras. The nude shade is very similar to my skin tone, so it just blends in perfectly. It has an underwire here, so it's very supportive, and then it has the most seamless cup. Like just look here, the top is super fitted. The fabric is a little thin still. Like it's so seamless. It's giving me support, and it looks really nice. Like it just blends in perfectly. And I love that. Also, I have this bra from Westside, which again is like a seamless, non-underwired padded bra, like a t-shirt bra, which goes amazingly with fitted tops, t-shirts, and like again like a everyday piece for me. This I think is one of the most important category, and इसके लिए मुझे बहुत questions आते हैं. Whenever I wear a top like this or an off-shoulder top, I always get questions. Wait a second, what's happening here? Yeah, like a top like this, like an off shoulder, a square neck, even the top that I'm wearing right now. So inside tops के अंदर मैं पहनना पसंद करती हूँ एक strapless bra. So for strapless bra, definitely get a nude. But again, nude to you need in almost every category because it goes with everything. And then I love a black one to wear under all my darker color tops. You'll find strapless bras in Zivame, H&M, Marks and Spencer, Westside. These are some of my go-to brands for bras actually. तो ये ब्रा मैंने लिए जिवामे से एंड आई गॉट दीज लाइक अ फ्यू इयर्स बैक. टू बी ऑनेस्ट आई डोंट थिंक दे आर लाइक एग्जैक्टली ये सेम ब्रा अवेलेबल है अब, बट ऑफ कोर्स आई एम प्रीटी श्योर दे हैव मोर ऑप्शंस एंड आपको काफ़ी वेबसाइट्स पे ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे. सो दिस इज अ ग्रेट ब्रा. इट डज नॉट राइट डाउन. यूजुअली स्ट्रैपलेस ब्रास के साथ पीपल हैव दिस प्रॉब्लम की विल इट राइट डाउन, बट इट डज नॉट. इसके ना एंड में यहाँ पे देयर इज दिस लाइक सिलिकॉन का एक पट्टी टाइप ऑफ which just sticks and stays very nicely near your bust area. I personally wear strapless bras a lot because I love wearing square necks, off shoulders or a top like this. In sub के अंदर you have to wear a strapless bra. The third type of bra is a balconette bra and this is mostly whenever you're wearing something which has a wide shoulder. So a top like this, इसके साथ आप एक strapless bra भी पहन सकते हो or you can go for a balconette bra. Also balconette bras are super supportive and I think they give like one of the best push-up effect. Balconette bras में usually like my normal bras में the strap goes from here. Balconette में they are from like the end part here. तो कोई भी आप ऐसा टॉप पहन रहे हो जिसका शोल्डर काफी ब्रॉड है, you can go for a balconette bra. So like a square neck top, go for a balconette bra. Now the black one or the nude one that I'm wearing right now, in दोनों में these are actually 2-in-1 bras. तो इसका यहाँ पे straps है. If you remove the straps, it becomes a strapless bra, and if you keep the straps on, then it becomes a balconette bra. So I love that these bras are 2-in-1, so I don't have to invest in like 3-4 different ones. Okay, now the fourth one is a full coverage seamless bra. Now this can be wired, underwired, but make sure that they are padded. And this again goes great with a top like this. इस टाइप की टॉप्स के लिए भी मुझे काफी क्वेश्चंस आते हैं कि what kind of bras to wear under these tops. I would say go for a seamless full coverage padded bra. So a bra like this maybe. Now this one has like really nice coverage. It also has this thosa V neckline here, so it goes really well with all these V neck. Even with a top which is super body hugging, and the fabric of this top is very clingy, like it just sticks to your body. This bra looks very seamless and I love that. This one again goes with every fitted top that I have, like mostly every fitted top unless it's like off shoulder or very like square neck kind of top. उसके अलावा अगर कोई भी V-neck है या फिर basic round neck है. I usually wear like these kind of bras with that top. I have this again in like 2 to 3 different colors, and this shade now also is like very neutral and it goes with mostly ऐसे light color की चीजों के अंदर ये बड़े अच्छे से चल जाता है. Also it has this thick band at the bottom, so it's very comfortable to wear. It's again like my go-to everyday bra whenever I'm wearing. Like I can wear it at home, I can wear it for a longer period of time. I do not feel uncomfortable in it. You need some comfortable non-padded, or you can even go for padded if you want, whatever gives you comfort, but some like comfortable lounge bras. So I have a few options here. Now this one I got from H&M I think a couple of years back, and this is one of my favorite bras ever. So these are mostly like isse pehle wali sari were ones with hook, but these are all like, you know, I don't know what these are, this style is called specifically. Like it's like a sports bra style, but it's not a sports bra. Basically it's like without any hook. So these are like ribbed bras. They're very comfortable, and I don't know how supportive they'll be for my high bust girlies, but for someone who's like around my size, these are amazing. बहुत comfortable होता है. I love this. I want to get this in nude as well, but it's out of stock and it's not coming back on stock. You know the story with H&M every time, but this is a great bra. Very comfortable, perfect to wear at home, perfect to lounge in. You can wear this under like loose t-shirts and stuff. I would say under something super fitted, this might not be the most supportive or the most seamless option, since it does have like a medium coverage, I would say. But you can wear this under something thoda sa deeper, because it has this like V here at the front. The next option is again in nude, because you need a nude bra in every I would say like every style of bra. I have to get a nude bra in that style. So even for a loungewear, because I wear a lot of light colored clothes, I have a nude bra. Now this is from Westside, and I like Westside ka lingerie as well. I think they do really good lingerie. Also their sports bras are also really good. Now talking about this bra again, it's like super comfortable. It's a ribbed material, and it is like comfortable loungewear. Wear it with like your loose t-shirts, your like basic everyday outfits kind of bra. I think that this did come with a pad. Yeah, it came with a pad, but I've removed the pad. But you can keep the pad on, and if you keep the pad on, it will be more supportive. So you do you, of course. Next I have this bra from Zivame. This might not be for my big bust girlies for sure, because it's not super supportive, but I really like wearing it. It's very comfortable to wear. And I have this in I think 3 different colors. The final, I think even this one, it's either from Jockey or it's from Zivame again. And this looks like a sports bra, but it's not a sports bra, because iska itna zyada support nahi hai ki you can wear it for exercises. Maybe like for yoga and stuff, but definitely not for thoda sa cardio or high intensity workout. But this again is like super comfortable. I love that it has a very thick band at the bottom, so ये बहुत comfy होती है. It also has this ruching here at the front, so it gives like very nice shape and lift to the ladies. And overall it's like a racer back पीछे से. Now if you want to wear a top like this and you don't want to go for a strapless bra, another option is a racer back. Like I just changed into a halter neck bra under this top, and just look, it's not visible, and it's also working really well. These bras work really well, and actually any bra with a racer back works really well with these kind of tops. Also एक hack होता है जिससे आप अपनी bras को racer back बना सकते हो. If you have any bra जिसका ना ये strap removable है. I have some bras जिसका ये strap removable होता है. You can just put it according to your liking. So instead of putting it as a normal strap, just crisscross it, और उससे ना पीछे racer back बन जाता है. उसके साथ वो आप करके ऐसा हैक करके, instead of buying 2 different bras, you can make one bra into a racer back, but you need to make sure कि उसके straps removable हो. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. This was a quick one, but I just wanted to talk about like types of bras you need and what bra to wear under what top, because this has been like a major question that I've been getting in a lot of videos, and I thought I need to talk about this now. But if you have any suggestions from your side, if you have anything to add on to this, then make sure tell me in the comments. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो प्लीज इसको लाइक करना एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत जाना. एंड I'll see you next time. Bye. I love you. So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco. We could swim with the sharks.